climate change is a moral issue, one which poses a threat to all life on Earth. But it is a problem that can't be solved. Humans contribute to climate change, and we alone can address it. It is a problem that demands an ethical response from individuals and communities of faith. All traditions teach us to care for each other and the natural world. Together, we can actively live as stewards of creation. Together, we can advocate, educate, and promote a just, cleaner future for all. Don't let this opportunity to do good and care for the planet pass you by. Cycle for a cleaner future.